the what is the base 2, meaning you are going to put your 2 there. So you can write it in this format and then put the base of your choice. Yeah, that is how you compare. So now at this point it was like this. So this 4 can also be written as 2 raised to power 2. You've understood up to this point. Is there anyone behind? So now this 2 can be brought down this side. So meaning it's going to be like this. And then we all know to say if you have the log of a base a there, the answer is just equal to 1. So meaning this log 2 base 2, the answer is what? It's 1. So meaning here, instead of writing base 2, log 2 base 2, I can just put 1. When you multiply this 2 times 1, this is the 2 I had. And then if I have something like this, so this 2 times 1, I'm getting 2. Let me even remove this part. When I cross multiply here, 2 times that, this is where I came to this point. And then this was equal to that after cross multiplying there. And then you raise this 2 now to become as a power there. Becomes a power, meaning you have something like that. And then I took this part to the other side of the equal sign. So this is the case. And then from there, since we're subtracting there, means that the functions of these logs would do what? Would divide. So now, if you simplify this part, this 2 times 2, you get what? 4. This is the 4 I wrote there. 2 times this power 1 there, you get 2. This is the 2 that I wrote there. But since we're dividing by 3, it's just the same as saying x to the power 4, I mean y to the power 4. It's just the same as saying y to the power 4 over x squared. We're dividing this by 3. So when we're dividing it by 3, it simply means that, when you change the sign here, it simply means that you are also swapping the what's this? The numbers there. The 1 goes on top, the 3 comes down. Then when you multiply this is what you are going to have. We're going to have this part. So from there now we can change it to exponential. We change it to the exponential form. So our 2 is our base there. The power is 0. This is equal to, we have y raised to the power 4 over 3x squared. So 2 to the power 0 is what? 1. Then we have y to the power 4 over 3x squared. When you cross multiply there, I'm going to get y to the power 4 is equal to 3x squared. Remember what we had here? We said x is equal to y. So meaning while there is x, I can put y. While there is y, I can put x. I'll still get the same answer. So which one should I do? Let me say while there is y, I put x. So I'm going to have x to the power 4 is equal to 3x squared. So when you're solving such equations, this is a polynomial. This is a polynomial. So what you do, you take it to the other side of the equal sign. You don't divide by x squared, no. You take it to the other side of the equal sign. Then you have something like this. And then you can factor out the x squared now. You remain with x squared minus 3 being equal to 0. So from there, you can say either x squared is equal to 0 or x squared minus 3 is equal to 0. So when you simplify this, you are going to have your x being equal to 0. And then when you simplify this part, you are going to have your other value of x to be equal to plus or minus the root of 3. So this is question 16, part 3. So, do we have any questions? Let's move on to 17. I can wrap this part.